No hagas bulla ahora que grabe. Hello, good day. Today we're gonna see in the process of the estimating course one important tool that we have in the estimating process is RSMean. RSMean basically is a database that combines the unit price for labor, material, equipment, and total cost in every trade of the construction process. We're gonna do a rough explanation how this software is integrated and then how you can apply in your estimating cost. So first of all, when you create an estimate, you're gonna click here in this section, new estimate, and you fill the information according to your construction job. For example, the estimate name, the address, the zip code, the data reference, and etc. etc. And then, for example, we're gonna click here, template one, and all the in order to avoid to save time, so we're gonna have this one later. Put here save and continue. And then you start with the estimating process. Okay, so you have an item here, survey, and when you click here, and then you put the sign plus, you add the item that you're looking for. For example, you put here, you have demolition, you put selective demolition. Let's say if you're gonna have, for example, removal, whatever, building the construction. You click here and you put here, and you're gonna have in the estimating process. Okay, so basically what that we have here is different section according your preference. You have the shared data, you have the management estimate, square foot estimator, cost alert, reference item, and you can organize this according to your preference in my favorite section. We have different type of database. We have construction and commercial. We have standard union, or we have prevailing wage, or we have private. And the location is important. I'm located in New York, so I put the database in New York. But if you want to change for other states, you can use it. So the master format that we use in this program is the master format 2018. As you can see, this is a standard. All the items, masonry, concrete, demolition, etc., according to the database or the code of the SCI or SCA, Architect and Engineering Association. And you have here thermal moisture protection, Chapter 7, Chapter 6, wood plastic, Chapter 8, opening, Chapter 9, finishes, and continue with the mechanical, and all the items according to the organization that you're looking for. Now, how this is organized? Basically, RSMean is an organization with more than 100 professionals in different states that they are monitoring the quote and the cost of every material and labor and equipment around the country. And they complete it together in a software. They have a book, and they have a system by computer or electronic. In this section over here, you have the line item. In this section, the description, the unit, and the crew. You can change the Y of the column, moving in the section of description, and you can see the composition of every trade. For example, if I go to masonry, I go for whatever cast stone. If If I don't see here, I can do the search in this section over here. Let's see, for example, stone. For example, we can find here stone veneer. Okay, ashlar veneer random rectangular. As you can see the square foot, the crew. What is the crew that component this item? What is the labor? How many hours the crew spend in this square foot? The cost of the material, the cost of the labor, and the total by this trade. In this case, is $54 square feet. And every trade that you can find here, you can apply according to your estimating process. Okay. What else we have? We have mechanical. Mechanical is composed by the ABC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. We have plumbing. We have electrical, plumbing, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, electrical, and communication. So, as you see, this is the second stage. After you finish your takeoff, you're gonna input all the unit price according to your construction project. In the next section, we're gonna continue see how you can combine this unit price according to your estimating process. Okay, I hope that I can meet your expectation according to the explanation of RSMIN. All right, see you in the next section. Okay, have a good day.